Hey everyone, some surprising news from the world of Kylie Jenner and Jordyn Woods. Lawrence interview with Kylie Jenner. In a recent interview with Jennifer Lawrence, Kylie simplified the events about her low-key friendship with Jordyn after the Tristan Thompson scandal. When asked about their friendship, Kylie said Jordyn and always stayed in touch throughout the years. We would meet up, catch up, that talk through everything. We never fully get each other off. And guess what? One day they decided we want to get sushi and we don't want to hide anymore. Quick rewind in 2019 when the Tristan Thompson scandal broke the Kardashian world. Despite it all, Kelly and Jordyn keep their friendship alive. Remember, Jordyn explained the red table talk about this that she did not spill the beans, protected Kelly's heart. Friendship travelers who saw the coming. Stay tuned for more unexpected twists in the Kardashian saga.